Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to series of the videos GRE Quant. Now let's look at the second problem today, and where we're gonna again talk about the quantitative comparison only. So look at that problem which involves again inequalities. Now before I solve this problem for you, I would like you to take a 90 seconds pause on the video and try to solve it yourself and see how many of you get it correct. Okay, now let's look at this. Again, we have a problem which involves modulus and inequality, that's all together, right? And the same thing, quantity A is greater, B is greater, equal, relationship cannot be determined. These are the option choices. Now, how do we approach this one, right? So if you would like to see how we can make life easy here, so what we can do it, now, how do we open the modulus, right? So let's say first time, what we do, we say 3 plus 3x, this is less than minus 2x. Now, if you look at this, you could simply say, put it 3 here only, take this 3x on that side, which eventually gives you minus of 5x. And you say, you divide by 5 here, so 3 by 5. You divide by minus 5 even, so this will be minus 3 by 5, this is x. Now, I hope most of you know that whenever you divide an inequality with the negative number or multiply, the inequality sign will always flip. So this sign will flip. So what are we saying here? The x is actually less than minus 3 by 5. But hang on. So you might think of, I can mark quantity b to be an answer. But the problem here, as you could see, it's a mod of x, right? So you might have a negative number and that could be coming bigger. So let's wait for a minute. Now let's try the other way to solve this. Now when you look at that, when you're solving the inequality, you can keep it negative sign here, when you're writing this. So let's write it this way, 3 plus 3x, and most of you maybe you belong to, let's say, a non-maths background. So how do you do it? So one time, keep the same signs which is available to you in the inequality and then try to solve it. Other time, keep left hand side same. Now right hand side with the opposite sign. So if it's minus 2x, I'll put it positive 2x and flip the inequality. So the moment you flip the inequality, so you will be flipping this. Now what you have here, 3x and 2x. So if you look at that, that's actually minus 3. So you're saying x is greater than minus 3. So if you try to combine these two situations, x is eventually greater than minus 3 and less than minus 3 by 5. Now if you think of all those values which comes under this range, it has to be always less than the quantity b, right? Like I can have it, let's say, minus 3, I can have minus 2, minus 1, minus whatever I can, minus, let's say, 1.5. So in all those cases, my quantity b is coming bigger. So that's where we simply say quantity b is going to be greater. So the answer will be only b for this problem as well. I hope all of you got this. If not, you can reach out to me and we can have a detailed discussion on this. You will have my contact number and email address where you can reach out to me. I hope all of you got this, right? So if you want to make a note, you can do that. So the answer B only, which is quantity B is greater. That's it for the day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. So please be with us. If you have any doubts and queries, please reach out to us. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe the channel so that I can give you more videos regularly. Thank you very much.